Greetings smartwatch Pinoy fans! Ito ang pinakabago at affordable na smartwatch sa market, ang H7 smartwatch. At ang smartwatch na ito ay gumagamit ng Laxas Fit app. Tinatawag din itong Laxas Fit powered smartwatch or Laxas Fit smartwatch H7 model. At sa video na ito, aalamin natin yung design, ang features na loaded dito sa wearable. So kung may mga gusto kayong malaman about sa smartwatch nito, balak nyong bumili, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito. Alamin nyo muna kung ano nga ba yung mga loaded na features sa H7 smartwatch. Kung may katanungan kayo, drop lang ng comment, and of course support our channel. Like, share, at mag-subscribe. Okay, so start tayo at ating alamin ano nga ba yung design ng H7 smartwatch, kasama na rin yung specs and of course yung features na offered sa smartwatch na ito. So ito yung packaging ng ating H7 smartwatch. Simple lang. Meron tayong QR code dito para sa Laxas Fit app, and may features ba tayo dito? So walang nakalagay na features. Yung laman, user manual at yung wireless charging. So yung smartwatch, meron siyang support for wireless charging. At when it comes sa design naman, meron itong curved screen display. Hindi yung body. Sa taas lang yung curve, pero sa baba, flat pa rin. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Yun. Okay? So, curve yung screen. Then, meron tayong crown button dito. And merong pill shape button or return button. Rotary ito. So, pwede nyong gamitin sa pag-change ng watch face. Yung body frame is metal. Yung back cover, plastic. Meron siyang flexible silicone strap na merong stainless steel buckle. Merong quick release pin for easy replacement. So, 0.22. Pagkakalam ko, 0.22 yata to. Tingnan natin. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Last na check ko dito, parang 0.22. Yun nga, 0.22 mm yung strap. So, kung maghahanap kayo ng third party strap, siguraduhin yung 0.22 mm. Okay lang naman, medyo mabigat ng konti, medium size, sporty na merong curve screen display. Metal body frame, brush finish, and medyo may kabigatan ng konti. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung weight. Kasama na yung strap. Tingnan natin yung weight ng smartwatch. So, tingnan natin. Check 0.0 grams kasama yung strap. Meron tayong 56.0 grams in weight. Okay? So, sa mga mid-range lang yung bigat. So, sa specs, meron siyang 2.0. Okay, 2.01 inch screen display. TFT screen display. So, HD curve touchscreen at merong wireless charging support. Bluetooth 5.3. Yung sa battery, paiba-iba kasi merong 300 mAh, merong 250 mAh. So, sa tingin ko, it's around, karamihan na nakapost online is around 300 mAh battery, 280 to 300 mAh battery, at merong 7 days battery life. Again, wireless charging capability yung smartwatch natin. So, ito yung charging cable natin. So, wireless charging siya. Okay? So, merong built-in speaker at microphone, rotary function, and ito, sort of a return button. Okay? Again, ito yung design ng ating H7 smartwatch. Sporty looking curved screen display, metal body frame, at merong rotary button. So, sa features, tingnan natin. So, ito yung loaded na features. Merong automatic activity tracking. Merong sports functions. Limited nga lang. Around 9 sports functions yung loaded. Ayan, bilangin natin. Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Merong Bluetooth call. Heart rate monitoring. Blood pressure. Sa blood pressure, duda ako kung accurate o hindi. Merong blood oxygen monitoring. Sleep monitoring. Merong Bluetooth music. Weather report. Meron ding calculator. Voice assistant. Remote photo control. Calendar. Alarm. Meron ding ito contacts, kasama na yan sa Bluetooth call. Stopwatch. Find phone. Sedentary reminder. Meron din. Drink water reminder. Flashlight. Ito screen flashlight lang to. May games. Car race. Balik natin. Then message notifications and app notification support. So may Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. May blood sugar din, additional na health features. Blood sugar, blood fat, at uric acid. Although merong blood pressure, merong blood sugar at blood fat, meron ding uric acid support feature. Pagdating sa accuracy, duda ako. Okay? Sa tingin ko lang naman. Then, dito sa ating features dito sa settings, may time setting tayo dito. So, pwede kang mag-switch to 12-hour to 24-hour format time. Hindi mo na kailangang i-pair sa smartwatch o sa support app na Laxasfit para mag-change lang ng time. Merong menu, multiple menu options. Hanggang 6 yung options. Sound and vibration support or touch. May security o password. Meron ding SOS. Display options, meron din. Up to 60 seconds yung display time. At iba pang features. May shake to answer and meron bang lift your wrist. Dynamic island, meron. Shake to answer. Parang walang lift your wrist to activate screen display. Wala. Ito yung about section natin. Okay, again, ito yung iba't ibang features na loaded sa ating smartwatch. Ang smartwatch nito, again, ay ang H7 smartwatch. Okay, so that's it sa ating review ng H7 smartwatch. Laxasfit powered smartwatch. So, kung may mga katanungan kayo about sa wearable na ito, drop lang ng comment. And of course, support pa rin sa channel natin. Like, share, at mag-subscribe. Bye!